reach 20 years old. 7. Well, age is a subject that you'd prefer ignore. Yeah.
I like your outfit.
Oh, thank you so much. I prepared for it years ago. Back when I was still sexy, now you see my body.
Wait, you're going to speak again.
Oh, it's my turn again? Oh, what is it? Is it for me?
Yes, of course.
Wow.
Hey, see?
I'm so excited. My puso is going, oh. Oh.
The burst of the music steals in softly and continues playing. Stella rises abruptly and turns her black. Stella. Done.
Take two.
Sinto.
Danny, you need to do that. Don't forget all the I took offer. What? What about? You need have been so cruel to someone as she is. Stanley, how would you? Delicate fish she is. She was. Did you know Blanche as a girl? Nobody.
But you.
She was tender and trusting as she was. Umalis ka nga. Bumalik ka na. Okay.
I'm sorry. I got carried away.
Sure. Wait.
How do you think you're going bowling now?
Do you think you're going bowling now?
Stay.
Sure. You're not going bowling. Why do you do this to me? What? I'm sorry. I done nothing to no one. Let go of my shirt. I want to know why. Let go of my shirt. Tell me why. Why? When we first met, me and you. Wait. That's my polo. When we first met, me and you thought I was calm. How right you was, baby. I was calm and I was there. You showed me the snapshot of the place with the I pulled that off there and how you loved it.
Oh, it's not yet my scene.
Having them colored lights going, and we was at the young together. Wasn't it all okay till she came there?
Stella makes a slight movement. Her look goes suddenly inward as if someone interior voice had called her name. She begins a slow shuffling progress from the bedroom to the kitchen, leaning and resting on the back of the chair and then on the edge of a table with a blind look and listening expression.
Sunod.
Stella, go.
Uy, ako si Blanche, hindi ako si Stella.
Stella nga.
Uy! Ano ba? Ayun o.
Take me to the hospital.
Hindi ako gago.
I saw you. Why?
Pregnant? Wait, let me see.
Pregnant na ako. Ba?
You're big tummy, huh? How much old?
It's going to birth.
Ay, Blanche. El pan de mais. El pan de mais.
Sinsal.
El pan de mais sinsal. El pan de mais. El pan de mais. El pan de mais sinsal. Thank you, the cast. Me as Blanche. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you kayo yung script ko wala na sa buksan.